Hi, I'm Tali from Resin8 and I'm going to show you how to make a funky rainbow style pendant. Who doesn't love a rainbow? You'll need Resin8 transparent pigments in red, amber, yellow, apple green, light blue, dark blue and violet. Or you could just use some of those colours and still get great effects. You'll also need Resin8 1:1 resin, a silicone mould, acrylic block craft stick, cocktail stick, mixing measuring cups, pots and wipes. Start by mixing up 10 millilitres of resin and 10 millilitres of hardener, giving it a good stir for a few minutes. Pour a tiny bit of resin into 7 pots. Start with the red pigment. Dip your cocktail stick into the pigment and add a tiny bit to your first resin pot. Give it a good stir with a craft stick. Do the same for the rest of your pigments so you have all your rainbow colours ready to go. Pour a tiny bit of red resin into your mould, then amber, yellow, apple green, light blue, dark blue, and finally violet. After 24 hours, pop your pendant out of the mould and gently sand the top to get rid of any rough edges. You can then paint a thin layer of resin over the top, drill a small hole and add an eye pin or a bail.